Thank you for watching this week's episode of our Thirukkural series. We hope you found this chapter's verses and explanations insightful and inspiring. Thirukkural is a timeless work of literature that continues to offer valuable lessons and wisdom to people of all ages and backgrounds. Thirukkural, a profound work of literature from Tamil Nadu, contains timeless wisdom on morality, ethics, and spirituality. In this video, we will explore a verse that emphasizes the importance of surrendering oneself to God to overcome the struggles of desire. Except those who surrender at the feet of God, the ocean of morality, others will struggle to cross the ocean of desire. This verse from Thirukkural reminds us that the path of righteousness and morality can be treacherous and challenging, and that only through surrendering to God can one overcome the temptations of desire. The verse "Except those who surrender at the feet of God, the ocean of morality, others will struggle to cross the ocean of desire" compares the ocean of morality to a vast and dangerous sea. In contrast, desire is likened to an equally daunting and tumultuous ocean that one must navigate to reach the shore of enlightenment. Thirukkural encourages us to surrender ourselves to God to gain the strength and wisdom needed to cross the turbulent waters of desire and reach the shores of moral purity. By surrendering ourselves to God, we can detach from worldly desires and focus on cultivating virtues such as compassion, humility, and gratitude. In conclusion, Thirukkural teaches us that surrendering oneself to God is vital to spiritual growth and moral development. Let us all strive to cultivate a sense of surrender and humility in our lives and use it to cross the ocean of desire and reach the shore of morality and enlightenment. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more Thirukkural content. Join us next week as we explore another chapter and continue to uncover the beautiful and inspiring teachings of Thirukkural.